Good morning, everyone. I, Advika Singh, will present a topic: animal and their shelters. Animals are useful to man. Pets live in house and domestic animals live in man-made shelters. Man-made some special shelters for animals. Cow live in shed, dog live in kennel, hen live in coop, sheep live in pen, horse live in stable. Food from animal. According to their food habits, animals are divided into three categories. Animals that eat only plant are called herbivorous. Animals that eat only flesh are called carnivorous. Animals that eat both plant and animal are called omnivorous. Horse eat grass and grains. Cow eat grass and hay. Rabbit live plants. Like cow and buffalo, back to the food from stomach into the mouth. It is called chewing the cud. Fish is feeding fish food. Birds like manna and parrot eat grains. Animals like dog and cat eat both plant and animals. Take caring of animals. We can take care of animal by giving him proper food, shelter, and proper take caring. Animal unwanted animals. Animals that are uninvited by us in our home, but they can creep in our homes are called unwanted animals, like cockroach, rats, lizard, spider, mosquitoes. We can spray phenyl and keep cleaning our home for get rid of the animals. Thank you.